Grant Cousins, Amazon is giving out $20,000 right now. Keep watching to learn how you can get a piece of the pie right after this intro.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Today we're talking about a $20,000 grant from Amazon. This application ends on August 18th, 2022 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. The finalists of this grant will be chosen September 30th of 2022. So Amazon is looking for innovations in design, technology, or chemistry that creates a highly effective product with sustainability attributes. They want to show customers that they do not have to choose between an incredible, highly effective product and improved sustainability. They can have both. In order to qualify for this grant, you must meet the following. You must have a product, and it must be a physical product that customers will love and have demonstrable sustainability attributes. You must have an Amazon status at the time of applying for the grant. The participating brand must be self-owned by a U.S. resident, and the entrant must be 18 years or older at the time of entry. The product being submitted can be new to Amazon or have been listed in Amazon online stores if it's been under 4 years. They also look at your business size. The program is designed to promote businesses that have generated less than $5 million in gross merchandise sales annually. So what the grant winners will receive is they will receive a $20,000 grant, increased customer visibility, access to marketing and promotion, and sustainability certification. This application process is pretty simple, so let's go over it right now. First, you will need to give more information about your product, name, description, any trademarks, and how long you've been in business, and why your customer loves your product. You will need to share if your product is being sold on the Amazon platform, and that's it. You hit submit and wait until September 30th to hear the winners to be chosen. Now, if you don't qualify for any of these grants, please share this video with someone who does. I'm currently working on presenting more grants for all of my viewers, so make sure to subscribe to find the latest, and also make sure to go to designersoapbox.com/grants to find out more grants that is available to you right now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.